Tips. Today I show you how to change in text to lower, upper or proper case in Google Sheets. Right. How to change lowercase. Double click and write lower, open and this close, press enter. Suggested autofill, click on accept or cancel and click on accept, right? And auto, okay. Uppercase, and double click and write upper, open and select, okay, close and press enter and autofill, okay, accept, change, okay, nice. And proper, double click, write proper and click, close, press enter and click on accept or cancel, autofill and click on accept, okay, nice. Okay, how to work in mix case, example, right, change, copy, lowercase and double, right, and lower, open, close, nice. It's good work. And uppercase, right, upper, open, click, close and enter, okay, nice. And proper case, double click, proper and click on this, close and press enter, okay, it's a good work. And this all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because feedback helps me and show you how to do it. Bye.